In our last section, we have seen the classification model, and that is nothing but descriptive and predictive modeling. Now we will see the confusion matrix. The confusion matrix is drawn over here. We can see it is in the matrix format. So the confusion matrix is n by n matrix, which is used for evaluating the performance of the classification model, where n is number of target classes. The matrix compares the actual target values with the predicted values. The prediction has been done by the machine learning model. We have already seen in our last section. So the comparison is done by the actual target values with the predictive values, and this gives us the holistic view of how well our classification model is performing and what errors are there in it. So the confusion matrix is used for evaluation purpose. Evaluation of the performance of classification model is based on the counts of test record correctly and incorrectly. Means whatever predictions has been done, so how many records are correctly predicted and how many records are incorrectly predicted. So these counts are tabulated by using the matrix which is known as the confusion matrix. So whenever confusion matrix is used, it is used to for providing the information needed to determine how it performs, and for that the main two concepts are used, that is accuracy and error rate. So accuracy is nothing but number of corrected predictions divided by total number of predictions. Means whatever correct predictions you are getting, that will be divided by total number of predictions, then that is called as accuracy. This is one type of performance metric, and the another performance metric is error rate. So error rate is the number of wrong predictions divided by total number of predictions, that is error rate is. So whenever we are using the confusion matrix for evaluation purpose, so the evaluation is done by using the performance metric, that is accuracy and error rate. So confusion matrix is nothing but a matrix which is used for finding how many predictions are correct and how many predictions are incorrect, and for that we are dividing the total correct predictions by total number of predictions for accuracy, and we are dividing the wrong predictions by total number of predictions for error rate. So this is all about the confusion matrix is. In our next section we will see the details about the decision tree. Thank you.